I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integrations. Search for and select ConvertPro as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select benchmark. Give your API secret key. So please visit Benchmark API token. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. You can update benchmark by check this box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now, let's fill out a form. Submit the form. Now go to the benchmark page and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the benchmark. Thanks for watching.